Hey everyone, today's super special Sunday, and yes, today we will talk on three secrets to be English confident. Before starting, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Manisha. I'm housemaker and I'm student of step-by-step classes from Gold Bass Sister Students. So let's discuss. There is a three secret of our class. Not a three. There are many secrets, but yes, I will tell you three secrets. First is I like so much environment. Second thing is proper guidance, and third is activities. Yes, when I joined this class, that time I was fear and I can't speak in Marathi also. Yes, I can speak Marathi, but in front of people on stage, I can't speak. But yes, when I joined this class, and yes, I see everything, and I like environment so much. And yes, I would like to talk on environment. Means this in this class, environment is best. I never say anywhere. Means here in Gold Badge, everyone is talking in English. Means small child and elders also. And yes, we started uh, from looking there. Yes, Miss small child is talking and I can't. So why not I? They can talk, so why not I? Why not me? So that time, yes, I decided no, I also want to speak in English. And yes, I tried for speaking. And yes, now I'm speaking. And here is healthy environment. Means see now we are ladies. Means we are I think five housewives and other ladies also. So we decided now today. Sorry. Now we decided we make a group of ladies, and yes, we will help to each other, and we we will do assignments with outsider, with qualified person, and for that we will help each other who wants to do assignments. So we will try, we will help them, and they will help us. Yes, and sir, last Sunday, sir told about group discussion. This there should be two housewives and two students. So we are housewives and we include students also. So now we are in a healthy competition. And yes, this environment is the best because competition is the best. But we don't get means you should don't get that negatively. Means he is doing and no, he don't want. I want to do something. No, in healthy competition, we should we should uh, we should help each other. And yes, we are doing same. And this thing in class, I like so much. Means when I come to class and when I joined this class, so that time everyone was talking in English. So I got the motivation from them. And yes, this is a best thing of this class. Yes, when you join the gold batch, that time you got an environment. But see, when I was a student in my school days. That time, yes, there was a that time also teacher taught English in English, but I can't speak. Why I can't speak? Because of there was not a environment. Miss, we that time they taught us in English. Yes, grammar also the teachers taught us, but still that time also means I couldn't speak. I couldn't speak in English because in my school I was learn in Marathi medium school. So that time, uh, in my whole day, in my school days, whole day, I talk in only Marathi. So that's why I didn't get to that level of environment, English environment. So I couldn't speak in English. But see, I rejoined the class in before 3 or 4 months, and yes, I can talk because I got the environment. That's why I told you everyone, yes, join us our class because of if you are from Marathi medium or if you are from Hindi medium and you also from English medium and you can't speak in English, but so you come and you join, you will get this environment you also, and you can easily talk. So the today's this discussion is today's my I share these three secrets. First is environment, second is activities, and third is proper guidance. Proper guidance is most important because yes, when we are learning from our school days, but we can't understand, we couldn't understand, and we couldn't speak in English because of guidance. Because they only teach and we only learn, but we can't. Apply in our life. But our sir and our other teachers also, they also um, guide us in proper ways. Yes, you are wrong there, and you should do this. You should do this thing. You do this activity, you will get benefit. Sir always tells. And yes, this is the proper guidance is most important. And third thing is activity. Yes, activity is really it is important in our English learning because yes, sir or other teachers arrange these activities for our benefits, for our speaking, for our learning. And every day we make videos. We we are doing any activities. So this activity gives us benefits. And yes, means there are many things for talking, but no, we have time limit. Yes, I have time limit, and we should means I should only talk about three secrets. And yes, I did that, and it's all. So I like to say to everyone, to viewer, yes, if you want to learn English, if you are from a Marathi medium or English medium or Hindi medium, but you can't speak in English, so you come and you join, you will get benefit more benefit from this class, and you also can speak like us, and you will get confidence of speaking. Thank you for listening and watching.